Welcome to The Global Tourist. Today we will view the top 10 best places to visit in Italy. Let's get straight into the list. Number 10. Naples. Naples, the capital city of the Campania region of southern Italy, is one of the busiest metropolitan cities in the country. It is a treasure trove of artworks and historic sites, as well as a vibrant atmosphere of shops, restaurants, and nightlife venues. Many popular Italian dishes such as pizza, spaghetti, and parmigiana originated here. In Naples, these dishes are taken seriously and usually include fresh, locally grown ingredients. Naples is a popular tourist destination due to its proximity to famous sites such as the Bay of Naples and Pompeii, which is the perfect place to stay while exploring the area. Number 9. The Lake District of Italy. Northern Italy is home to the Italian Lake District. Most of the lakes in the southern ends are relatively flat, but their northern ends are mountainous because they reach deep into the Alps. The Italian lakes have been a popular tourist destination for over a century. Garda is the largest lake and has stunning scenery, particularly in its mountainous northern region. Como is also breathtaking, with forested slopes rising directly from the water's edge. Maggiore, further west, is less popular but equally beautiful, with several popular family resorts. Number 8. Sicily. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea, is an autonomous region of Italy. There is also several smaller isles. The 2-mile Straits of Messina separate it from the Calabrian mainland. Sicily is rich in art and history, having been home to every great Mediterranean civilization. From Agrigento's, Palermo's Baroque churches, to the Valley of the Temples. Mount Etna, Europe's tallest active volcano, is the island's most prominent geological feature. Number 7. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre is made up of 5 villages: Riomaggiore, Manarole, Cornelia, and Vernazza. The villages of Cinque Terre are located in Italy's northwestern coastal region of Liguria. Terre has some of the most beautiful landscapes in the country, including steep cliff sides and wine terraces that date back hundreds of years. Among its many treasures is Cinque Terre's century-old network of hiking trails, providing some of the most beautiful coastal views in Italy. The Blue Trail is a paved path that connects all 5 villages and is suitable for walking and people of all ages. Number 6. Milan. Milan has been rebuilt after being nearly destroyed by heavy bombing during World War II, and it shines as one of Europe's wealthiest cities. Milan, widely regarded as a mega fashion center teeming with designer shops, also draws a large number of visitors. Its world-famous treasures include Leonardo da Vinci's painting The Last Supper, the La Scala Opera House, the Castello Soffresco, and one of the world's largest Gothic cathedrals. Nonetheless, Milan appears to be less Italian than the rest of the country's historic cities, with its more glamorous cities and modern architecture. Number 5. The Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is a popular tourist destination in Italy's southwestern region of Campania. Due to its extraordinary beauty, it is one of Italy's most popular tourist destinations. The Amalfi Coast stretches for 30 miles along the southern side of the Sorrento Peninsula, and it is renowned for its picturesque coastline, which includes shimmering bays, craggy cliffs, and lemon groves. Tree gardens, multicolored villas, and opulent resorts are all available to those who visit. Positano, with pebble-lined beaches, pastel houses, and scenic mountains, is one of the most romantic and posh towns on the Amalfi Coast. Amalfi, one of the larger towns, has lovely plazas lined with restaurants, while Ravello is well known for its beautiful villas with both gardens and artworks. Number 4. Pompeii. Pompeii, one of Italy's most popular tourist destinations, is a famous Roman city that was buried under several feet of volcanic ash nearly 1,700 years ago, after Mount Vesuvius's cataclysmic eruption. Pompeii excavations began in 1748, and the site has yet to be completely excavated. The location is close to the modern city of Naples. A Pompeii tour provides a fascinating insight into everyday life in the ancient Roman world. Visitors can stroll through the ancient streets and see the ruins of bakeries, brothels, and baths. Number 3. Venice. Venice, one of Europe's most beautiful destinations, is a one-of-a-kind city built on a lagoon surrounded by the Adriatic Sea. Venice is an archipelago of 118 islands connected by hundreds of beautiful bridges and scenic canals in northeastern Italy. The Grand Canal, the most famous of the canals, divides the city into two sections. Venice is one of the most romantic cities in the world thanks to its picturesque waterways and historic architecture. Venice is often crowded, but it's well worth seeing its magnificent landmarks such as St. Mark's Square and Basilica, the Doge's Palace, and the Rialto Bridge. One of the most popular activities is a gondola ride along one of the city's many canals. Number 2. Tuscany. Tuscany, Italy's well-known region, conjures images of beautiful rolling hills, olive groves, vineyards, and cypress trees. Tuscany's many pleasures include wine tasting in Chianti, simply relaxing in hill towns like San Gimignano, and exploring Renaissance art in Florence. The medieval city of Siena has excellent works of art as well, and its historic centre is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Italy. Elba, the largest of several Tuscan lands, has beautiful beaches, and Pisa is famous for its Leaning Tower. Number 1. Rome. Formerly the capital of the Roman Empire, Rome is now the seat of government and the capital city of Italy. Rome, located in the country's central region of Lazio, is a vast and complex city that is both historic and modern. Rome has been an important centre for culture, power and religion for over 2,500 years and is best known for housing ancient Roman structures and the Vatican City. There is so much to see and do in Rome, from ancient romantic plazas to stunning cathedrals and Renaissance architecture, that it could take months or even years to see it all. Thanks for watching this list. Continue your journey with the Global Tourist by subscribing and liking this video. Comment below your favourite place in Italy and unleash your wanderlust by watching our other videos on this channel. Have a great day!